Hey guys, I have an awesome video for you guys today. I was paid by Mattel to be here and play with their toy, and I'm super excited. So thank you so much, Mattel. This toy is about like what I do, like makeup, and I get to make my own makeup. Isn't that super cool, guys? Like it's a DIY plus makeup, which I love DIY and I love makeup, so this is perfect for me. So let me show you what it is. It is the BeYouTology Luxe Cosmetic Bar. It's about creating your own makeup. You can make eyeshadow, lip gloss, and highlighter, which we're gonna do all those today. And then we're gonna create a Halloween look with it. We're gonna be creating beautiful colors to make a mermaid. So let's open this bad boy up. Woo, woo, woo. Here's how it looks, and it looks pretty neat. Let's make this cosmetic maker. Follow the instructions on how to assemble it. We need to take the base out. We have it all assembled. Now time to put in the pigment pearls. So there's blue, pink, dark pink, purple, yellow, and pink. So I'm gonna add in the blues first. So we're gonna put the pigment pearls in. All the pigments are in place. So now we're just gonna put everything where they need to go, and then we'll start making makeup. It comes with these 3 cute cards that tell you if you wanna make like a color or something, so that you can make whatever color you want. So say I want to make this purple, I'll take these 3 colors to make it. We're gonna start with lip gloss, guys. So I'm gonna see what color I want to do first. I think I'm gonna do like a pinky. Oh, I think I see the color I want. I'm gonna do this color. So it takes 2 yellows and 1 light pink. So first I'm gonna put this in here. And then this in here. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna take this bowl. We're gonna add a little bit of that gloss. And then we're gonna choose my colors. It says 2 yellows, so we're gonna turn it to the yellow. There's the yellow. And then we're gonna press this button. So there's 1, and then 2. And then it says for light pink, so we're gonna twist it to the light pink. There's the light pink, and we're gonna press the bottom, and there it is. And now we're gonna take this tool, and we're gonna crush it. Now I'm just gonna crush it real good into there. Looks about good. Now I need 2 spoonfuls of the lip gloss. Now we're just gonna mix it up. Mix it up really good. Mix it till it's smooth. So now here's our pretty color. Super pretty. And now we're gonna put it into our container. A good tip also when you add in the pearls is to crush it up really good, almost like it's powder. That'll make the color really smooth and pretty. Guys, this color is gonna be super pretty for a mermaid look. Okay guys, 1 beautiful color down. Let's try another color, guys. So I'm thinking of doing this purple. It's 2 purples and 1 yellow. Let's do it. Just a little bit of this in my bowl. Okay, so it says for 2 purples. 1 purple, 2 purple, and then we're gonna go to yellow. All right. And yellow. So now I'm gonna crush it up. Remember, crush it up really good. Try to get as much of the powder off as I can on this. Now I'm gonna do 2 spoonfuls of lip gloss. And now let's mix it up. Stirred in really good. Now we've got our purple. I've always wanted to make my own cosmetics, so this is like really fun. Purple is done. Now let's put it into our next container. Now let's start on our eyeshadow and highlighter. So first what you're gonna need is you're gonna need the alcohol bottle. On this part, ask a grown-up to help. So we're gonna put in 20 drops. Now I wanna choose what color I want. And for this, whatever color you choose, you're gonna double all of the colors. So I think I wanna do blue because I haven't done a blue yet. I think we could do this one right here. So we're gonna do 2 blues, 2 more blues, and then 2 yellows. So there's the blue, so we're gonna add 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna do 2 with the yellows, 1, 2. Okay, and now we're gonna take the crusher and crush it up. Kind of push it and turn it. It kind of looks like marble when you twist and turn. Now we're gonna add 20 more drops of the alcohol. Now we're gonna use our spatula here and stir it up. We want it to be a thick consistency. So you can add more drops if you need to. So you want it to be a thick consistency like this. Now we're gonna scrape it into the eyeshadow pan. Then just smooth it so that the top is flat. And that's what it should look like. We're just gonna let this sit for 6 to 8 hours. That's gonna be really pretty. The next color I'm gonna be using for the eyeshadow is I'm gonna do a yellow because I haven't done yellow yet. So we're gonna double these, so 2 yellows and 2 whites. But first we gotta put in 20 drops of the alcohol. It's already on yellows. So we're gonna do 1, 2, and then we need 2 whites. 1, 2 whites. Now we're gonna crush it up. Now it's all nice and smooth, so now we can add some more. So it's at 20 more drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a pretty eyeshadow or highlight color. Now we have this creamy consistency. Now we're gonna put it in the pan. So a pro tip to do when you're like spreading it on the top to make it smooth is add a drop of alcohol. More smooth. Here's the final color. It's like a pretty gold. Now let's finish all of our colors and then we'll start on the makeup. Okay guys, so it is the next day and the makeup is all ready. And I'm in my mermaid costume. And I did braids in my hair and slept on it. And then they made these cute waves. Let's check out all of our makeup. There's this purple one, this metallic blue one. There's another purple one. Kind of reddish, dark pink, and light pink. This metallic blue. Smudge my eye. No, because mine are brown. And then we have my eyeshadow palette. Then we have a brush and a sponge, 2 sides. Let's get started on our mermaid look. Let's get started with the eyeshadow. This, guys, actually works really good. Like, this is the type of makeup that you would get that's really good. And you make it. Then you're a professional makeup maker. Guys, I love the purple. It matches super well with my costume. It just kind of blends into a lighter pink. I'm gonna use the blue on the inner corner. I'm gonna go apply some mascara really quick. Okay, so did that. And I also did just a little bit of eyebrows. Now I'm gonna go to my lips. And oh my gosh, there's so many colors. think I could do pink to match my eyeshadow. I got a lip brush. Or you could just use your finger. Look at this purple color. It looks super pretty. And one thing I also love about this lipstick is that you only need just a teeny tiny bit and then just do it around. So you'll have, if you make all of these, you'll have these for a while. Also, I love that it has, like, it actually shows up, because with most glosses, like, it technically doesn't show the color really, it just shows like a shimmer, but this one actually adds a little bit of color to your lips, so I love that. And you get to make your own. And that's the coolest part. We made these, guys. Now I think we could do a highlighter. We made this white pearl color, so we're gonna use it for a highlighter. I'm just gonna use my finger. Look how pretty and soft this is. Now I'm gonna use the scale stickers for my scales. We're just gonna use our eyeshadows. We're kind of fading it to purple to pink to blue. Whoa, that looks cool. And then with the makeup wipe, I'm just gonna clean off what's under here. Look how cool, you guys. We made these colors. Honestly, I think these colors are pretty awesome. That looks cool. And those scales are good. So now we got all the scales on my neck. Really cool. Now I'm just gonna add some scales to my face. Okay guys, so here are the scales on my face. That side. And that side. Now I'm just gonna spray some glitter on it. Now we're gonna add some fun mermaid jewels. These jewels are the same color of makeup we made. There's those 3 jewels like that. Alright, there's all the jewels on here. I'm all jeweled up. I look so pretty. This is the final look, you guys. If you guys are looking for a Halloween DIY look, this is one for you guys. I personally love this one. Thank you so much, Mattel, for paying me to do this video. It was so much fun, and I loved playing with your toy. This makeup was so much fun to create. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you in my next one. Bye!